Hello, I'm Jonathan Gus, the product manager for the Hideout division of Keystone RV. Today I'm super excited to show you guys the all-new interior on the single axle lineup called Designer White. Let's take a look. So we're here inside the 186 SS with the all-new Designer White interior. Everything's changed in this. You have a brand new floor, all new white cabinets, aspen oak trim around the outsides. You can see that this is a very clean, very elegant interior. If you guys haven't seen that, a lot of these people in the industry now will buy used product, flip it, and make it into something that they like. Well, we listen to a lot of the retail customers. This is what they want. They want it clean, white, a little bit modern, with the concrete countertops, again with the white cabinets with the black handles. So we really wanted to speak to the customer that is buying these RVs. We wanted to give them something that they want as opposed to just building whatever we want and hoping that they buy it. So I hope you guys like it. Hey, thanks for taking the time to check out the all-new Designer White interior for the Hideout single axle lineup. I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out our website anytime, KeystoneRV.com. Thank you.